9 lead magnet ideas for bloggers to grow their audience. When it comes to lead magnets, gone are the days when visitors to one's website would hastily type out their email address just to get a freebie. People are far more web savvy these days and tend to be reluctant to give their email address, because they know that they're going to be receiving promotional emails in the future. So your lead magnet must be highly tempting and offer a solution to their pressing problems. This is key to increasing your opt-in conversion rate. 3 unwritten rules when it comes to putting a lead magnet in front of your audience. 1. It must grab attention and be something that your audience desperately needs. It should share information that will help your subscriber, but it shouldn't give away the farm. 3. The opt-in page needs to look professional. There should be ease of access and a clear call to action. We've covered the basics and highlighted the importance of having a lead magnet that people truly want. It's time to look at 9 different types of freebies that you can offer. 1. Short reports. Generally, a short report should be about 3 to 5 pages long. Quick introduction, talk a bit about the mindset required, and share 1-2 tips. Be concise, targeted, and informative. Infographics, or posters. A simple infographic containing the key points for a topic can prove very useful for your reader. With this image, the subscriber will know with one glance what they need. 3. Templates. Fill-in-the-blank templates are very popular for sales letters, videos, blog posts, and much more. Proven template, it's easier for your subscriber to create content without being intimidated by the prospect of starting from scratch. Checklists. A checklist is invaluable when a process has multiple steps to follow. For example, if you're selling a course on creating profitable niche sites, a checklist will be a list of tasks that need to be completed in the right order to build a functioning site that ranks well. 5. Case studies. Case studies reveal the marketing actions taken and the resulting wins or losses. A life case study is a lesson on what to do and what to avoid. 6. Videos/webinars. Just record a 15-minute video highlighting a few key points that your viewer can implement. Below the video, you should add a link to your full course which is on sale. If you use a webinar as a lead magnet, make sure it's interesting, concise, and believable. 7. Mini courses. A mini course is a great way to introduce new subscribers to your style of teaching. It goes without saying that if your mini course is outstanding, your subscribers will view you as an authority. Some of what they need to know, but not everything. 8. Free trials. If you have a membership site or a paid software tool that has a monthly fee, offering free access for a week or a month in exchange for their email will get you a lot of subscribers. Once the free trial is over, they'll have an option to pay and stay on or leave. 9. Resource lists. A resource list is basically a list of tools, services, products, etc. that you use. To achieve success in your niche, people will want to know exactly what products you're using so that they can model your actions and replicate your success. Now you know the different types of lead magnets you can create, it's just a matter of choosing one and creating it. Sometimes, you may wish to create a few different types and split test them. Start putting out your lead magnets into the marketplace and you'll attract targeted, fresh leads into your business in no time at all. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.